problem because the older men either they're something small or they just don't do it.
Oh, so like what? Okay, everything alright?
It's cold.
It's cold. Are you in New York? Suppose you're in New York. That's something else.
The heat on. I had to turn my heat on.
I saw your post. I see me see just right on the wall. Say you look a man.
Out here. It's bad out here.
Say you look a man. Say you look a man.
Yeah.
Okay.
You find somebody for me?
No, hold on. Go question first.
Sorry. Apologize.
Okay. Stretch. Alright, you look a man then, right? Alright then. You look a man if you look for the look meanwhile or because you have a man but you're not about I don't have a man right now.
No, I'm single.
For how long now you single?
Over a year.
Over a year single?
Yeah.
Alright then. I'm not gonna ask you your exact age, like your what age group, like 40 to 50 or 50 to 60. What?
No. I just turned 40. I'm not scared of my age.
No. I have to ask you.
Just turned 40.
Okay, and 1 year no in another man?
None.
So during that 1 year period, right? You know fuck?
Well, I just got some the other day after a long time.
What you call the other day?
A week?
That mean you're not really single no more, or just a test out that?
A people man. I'm single. A people man.
So just one thing you give him the pussy?
Yeah.
Okay. So after that year, then get a look of fuck, they're like, adrenaline, you know, vibes run through your bloodstream and you're free up.
No, but a problem did happen because I don't know if I wasn't attracted to him or it been so long, but it never worked. It never worked. No. See, I'm getting in trouble. My phone ringing. The phone ringing. I don't hear you, Lava.
Like, what kind of money I look for them?
I just want... I really don't want a relationship, honestly. I think just now, we just want... Can I say the word? No, I'm not say it.
No, say it. No kids over here.
Just really, really, really horny. Really horny.
All right.
That's it.
So do you have any toys, no sex toys for I help you out?
It not work.
What you have do?
Yeah.
Like how much sex toy you have?
Come on, you. Jesus.
So how much sex toys you have?
One.
Is a vibrator or a dildo?
Just a regular one. It don't move.
No,
you have to move it.
That's rough, man. Yeah.
It rough. And then Atlanta, remember Atlanta rough. Atlanta rough with man. It's either you gonna take people man or they on the down low.
Bumbuckler, no, Jaja, can't be about that.
And that me a talk about.
So me I sit here now, right? So you want a man in the Atlanta area or you want a man who can still travel to you?
Can can travel. I don't want nobody close. I don't want nobody come on my garden.
Spend the weekend with you and just leave again, and when you're ready again, you can call.
Yeah.
Alright, like what age group you look for?
Not over 30, 38. 38 and younger.
Oh, 38 and younger. Alright, like what height?
Half a tall, like 5'9" and up.
5'9" and up. Okay, like what the body now? The body size now?
I just don't want no belly, because I don't want no belly. I want to be no belly. But he can be thick. No belly.
A 6-pack, man with a 6-pack, I can look a small belly. I look a small belly.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, Rodney, you're out of the one there. Alright then, continue.
I try off for Rodney already. Rodney, I run.
Bumbo club. Alright, listen.
Boy.
So, you like how you're not a man for 1 year now, so, and you say you know look a man with a knee, you look a man with out of town, you can't travel more time. You know, come see. But more time is you're into, like, you know, you call up on all the FaceTime and you play the pussy and them go something.
Yeah, a damn thing. Yes.
Oh, you like to look at something there?
Yes.
Okay.
Make
video,
and
yes, okay.
Yeah.
You like video, play the pussy, you fuck yourself and them go something there?
Yeah.
Okay. You like them look at hardcore man, look at rough man, you look like a gentleman type.
Yeah, I have a problem with bad man. I have a problem. That's probably the problem.
Oh.
That's probably the problem, because the older men, either they're something small, or they just don't do it.
Oh, so like what size cocky you like then?
It have to. I mean, I want a little cocky, at least 8 inches or more. It have to be more than 8 inches.
Okay, so I'm never say to you again, no. I'm gonna try to think, you know. So any man up on the live, you know.
It can't have small cocky, and it can't be no 2 minute or 3 minute, because that don't make sense. That's a waste
so
of time.
like what complexion you look for?
It don't matter. I'm not racist.
Okay. I ain't really matter if I Jamaican or Yankee or whatever.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Since I've been on the phone with you, the amount of messages that come to my WhatsApp, it don't make no sense.
No, but anybody that fit the description, it don't make the sense.
Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Because some of them can't even spell.
Bumbo clad. See there?
No. Oh.
Leave the woman alone.
Over 8 inches, let me tell you. I have a bigger than 8 inches, and I don't want nobody to come take set and stay. Just go about your business.
On the weekend and move
Burn
on.
a spliff, drink a Guinness, bowl of Rems, and then go back to your yard.
Go back to your yard. Okay, and I'm not sure, you know. So you no matter if a Jamaican or Yankee or Asian or whatever.
It don't matter these days. It don't matter. No African. No African too possessive.
Oh, so you like man who can cook, or you don't really matter about that?
It don't matter, because I don't want him to come get comfortable. I'm not looking for that right now. No comfort. I have friends that can come and cook if I want somebody to cook.
Okay, but one man, it's a far them type of man they look for, you like a man who can fuck you good then.
Yeah, that's it. And sore. I want to be sore a couple of days later, bruises, and them something there, bruises.
No. Oh.
Okay, so like, no, what talk? No,
Yes.
I'm trying to know. So,
Yeah.
you like a man can a fuck in your mouth and him something too?
Listen, it has to be, like, I don't mind it, but it has to be, we have to probably be dealing a little while before something happen. It can't be just right off, I'm just gonna, no, it gotta take a while.
What you call take a while?
Maybe a month or so, you gotta be comfortable with the person and know their hygiene and, that kind of thing. Yeah.
Okay. So me there think still get a man come from, so just in case anybody can fit the description, you understand me? So basically they know, yeah.
Because I know you married already, you know, so I have to leave you alone.
So you have to date a man now for a month before him can fucking him out then.
Yeah, have a good time. Just listen. Men with a woman, for you to do, well, me anyway, for you to do something like that, you have to know the person hygiene. And you're not going to know their hygiene just doing it with them one time and the first time you meet them. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You gotta see, okay, if they come to your house and they want to have sex with you and they don't want to shower first, I pre you. Because unless you're coming straight from home or something, because you don't know. Let me tell you what happened to me one time. I did that. And when I did it, it smelled like, it didn't smell good at all. So I was like, you know what? Before just the smell said run.
The boy cocky frozen.
Frozy.
With the blood clot.
No, man, that nasty. So you have to be careful. So that's why I said it has to take time. Yeah, I'm not saying I'm not burning nobody who do it.
Right.
And, but be careful. Yeah.
With the blood clot this.
That'll turn you off. No, sir. Mm-mm.
So, one year now you want a man. You live at Atlanta, the man that did it. So you have to look a sex toy and a wadi alone you have to look a pussy. So you want a man for yourself right now. Out of town, we can fuck you good. You get to me, I come from, and after a month time now you can start,
We can go to other things. Yeah, move on to other things.
Okay. Well.
No, oh my God. Yeah, but still.
The DM still a beat off?
Yeah.
Your DM still a beat off, right? These fucking thirsty.
Because my number's on my WhatsApp page. So go there and it goes straight to WhatsApp. So that's why. But like I said,
listen,
that's it. That's it.
On the ear, the type of man shall look for. The type of man listen, not tell him.
Listen, I'm telling them.
Don't pay them no mind in their comment section.
Okay, you know what I was about to say.
I saw them steer. Listen, when you come up on the live, the comments will drive you nuts.
I know. I'm not going to read it.
Yeah, no pay them no mind. Me and Yata. So, anybody who just log on at the man show, call in, looking for a man, live in the Atlanta area. She don't want a man in the Atlanta area. He don't have to
live in Atlanta. He can live someplace else but can't travel.
Right, we can't travel. She just want to know so then she not in a close relationship. Just know so then when she ready for see one weekend, you can stop by and fix her business. Give her some good fuck. Right, and after a month now, you can start fucking in our mouth and them look at them that them gonna say, right?
But you love that. You love the mix up, that part you want to hear.
I explain to them what we just like on.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, them remember I said me watch the numbers them go up. So me have to know. You're feeling anybody who just miss it.
Yes.
Right then, so I just man and a woman then.
No, you see the people that call? No, I'm not looking for a woman. We can add her in 2 months. Say 2 months, we add a girl in. How about that?
What would you want this months and months?
Because you have the time, and if you're a woman, you have your period every month, right?
Okay. So you say 2 months to the woman them, and 1 month time say I can't fucking them out. Okay. Well, laugh.
Oh, I'm laughing. I'm agreeing with you.
So the man them, she want to be sore.
Yes. Yeah. Listen.
She want
teeny weeny. So you want to remember days later.
Only hear that? Yeah. So any man up a legacy. Yeah, out about the Mount Vernon and so will fit the description. Yeah,
oh my God, the people sending me penis pictures. Oh,
gosh. Pussy clot. Already.
Wow. No, I'm not married. Go inside. Wow. Hey, Jaswood. Let me come up here. Go inside. Yeah, get in trouble. Yo, the pictures are coming, love. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. No.
Me know two person love do them look something there. And then so this is disgusting. DJ Kid love do that. In a come from a DJ Kid.
Yo, there's no. It's like
No, okay. Come in say.
It's a whole bunch of numbers. It's a whole bunch of numbers.
Yeah. You understand? Me know say DJ Kid love do them look something there. And Kenty Colors. Yeah.
What they look like?
I don't know.
What them look like? I went to you like. Oh my God. Lava. I'm gonna have to change my number. Jeez.
With your blood like this. I saw them still.
Oh my God! Stop it. Okay. All right, but thank you, love.
I big up yourself, so you're hopefully.
Somebody good. I'll
yeah, so pick and choose.
I get it. I'll
pick and choose.
For you.
Yeah, pick and choose. If you no, just take a picture of you and the man. I mean, all right. All right.
All right. Bye bye.
I wish you all the best. Big up yourself,
all
my
right.
friend.
Bye bye.
All right then.